Today, the mainframe technology is embracing the agile and the new world of software development. In 2019, enterprises will modernize both their mainframe technology and their workforce to meet the demands of a data-driven era, paving the way for more organizations to build self-managing mainframe environments that can solve issues without people. The need of the hour is to expose younger software professionals to the newest methods and techniques used in the mainframe space. Opportunities are increasing day by day, but who will nurture the younger breed to specialize in this field? Yes, that's where UPES, one of India's leading private universities which focuses in specialization, plays a major role. It is one of the most renowned courses and the course curriculum covers skill sets This program here is in collaboration with IT companies for training programs and placements. It is only at UPES School of Computer Science one gets hands-on training and learns as per the industry demands. No surprises why mainframe technology studies at UPES School of Computer Studies will let you take the center stage for the future. Come, join UPES, a leading specialization-focused private university for mainframe technology courses today.